Let me show you how we can make those semi-transparent shapes in Google Slides. First, head for the Shape tool, select the shape you need. Let's go with the oval shape. Remember, you can hold Shift for perfect one-to-one proportion, just like that. I don't need a stroke color around this, so I will turn it into full transparent, invisible. And for the fill color, let's select this green first, but that's not a semi-transparent green. So not only select the green, but also head to the custom section and click this little plus, add a custom color. I select the green first because this will set up this as the green, and I can simply drop the opacity. That's the second slider. So the first slider, we can change the color. We can move around the color spectrum here. And the second slider is opacity. That's the alpha channel. Let's set this as 50%. So semi-transparent, click OK. And now I can see the green color, but I can see also through this shape. That's how you do it. Fill color plus second slider. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.